My name is Kyla, and today we'll be doing an experiment relating air. This experiment is going to be aiming towards first graders, and it's using the next generation science standard of KPS21. So today we will be talking about air. So first, there's 3 states of matter. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. So takes up space is I'm taking up space, and mass is another word for weight. So I am matter, you are matter. This is matter. So the 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, and a gas. And today we will be focusing on a gas. Gas has no shape, no volume, and it is invisible, and we can't see it. So our introductory question is, how do we know air takes up space if we can't see it? And we can have the kids discuss about that. So first we will have the students take a deep breath in and out. Our lungs are filling with air, and we're blowing something out. So we already start to know that it's there even though we can't see it. So then you can take a plastic bag, just a normal plastic bag, and a straw, and place the straw in the bag, and then push it all the way off to the side and close the bag all the way and just leave the straw open. And then you can have the kids, and you can demonstrate, blow air into the bag. And the bag inflates, showing that in a confined space that air takes up space. Another way to prove to kids that air takes up space is using liquid, another state of matter. So I filled this big bowl up with water, and then we have a glass and some tape and a piece of paper. So first we take some tape and place it at the bottom of the glass, just so that the paper stays in the bottom. And you crumple it up and place it in the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it upside down and place the glass straight flat onto the water, all the way down into the bowl. And our second question, our small group discussion question, is, do they think the paper is going to get wet? And they can form a hypothesis whether they think it's going to get wet or not, and kind of discuss why and why not. So then we will perform the action. Place it all the way down, and then bring it all the way back up. And we take the paper out, and you let the kids feel how dry it is. And then they can have a discussion about why it was dry. And the reason is because the cup has air in it. So when you put it down, the air stays in the cup, and you have to make sure that it's flat. Now, just to have a little fun, you can have the kids perform this. Is you take the glass and you push it all the way down, keeping the air in the cup, and then if you tilt the cup just a little bit, it creates bubbles, showing that the air is being released from the cup, showing that air was in the cup to begin with, even though we can't see it. The language arts aspect of this experiment was having the kids discuss their hypothesis and what they thought was going to happen. And a social science aspect is that back in the day, people didn't know that air existed because they had no evidence of it. And these experiments show that air does take up space and it exists. Thanks.